and thank you for watching Creative Art Expressions with Sapphire C. In this video I'm going to show you how to do round 13 of the fingerless gloves pattern. You will start with 2 half double crochets, and don't forget to mark your first stitch of that round. That's 1, and then 2, and now you are going to work 4 half double crochets in the chain spaces. Now your first chain space is right here. It looks like the top of this stitch, but it's not. The top of this stitch is actually to the right, which we've already worked in. So this is what you're working in, just the top. I go in through that back loop there for the chain and work a half double crochet. That's your first one, and then do the same thing on the next 3. And then this is your last one in the chain. So your 4 in the chain spaces look like that, and now you will work 23 half double crochet. And the first one might look a little confusing, and it looks like a chain, but it's actually part of this stitch. So the first one you're going to go into is this right here. You go, there's one little loop underneath there, so you're going on top of that loop and underneath those spaces. Let's see, make sure the light's on you. So it's going to be, this is your farthest stitch, and you're going to the right of that in that loop that kind of looks like a chain, and that's what you're working into for your first of the 23. And then you just do as normal your 23, I believe, half double crochets around, and at the end of this round you should end up with 29 stitches. So I hope this has helped you. Please comment, leave a like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.